Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to activate withholding tax setup. So with extended withholding tax, you can process withholding tax from both the customer and vendor view. So let's activate here. Go to transaction code SMIMG, SIMG. Then go to the financial accounting here. Then financial accounting global settings. Then go to the global parameters for company code, then click on tax here, and then here activate extended withholding tax. Click here, search for your company code here. Mine is 7075. Check this box and click on save. Click on OK. Now you can see the extended withholding tax is activated for this company code. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.